Quick bubble tip. The easiest way to open an external URL, so an external page from your Bubble app, is to use the link element here. And when you have a link, you have the link destination. In this case, I'm going to be leading to my newsletter, and you can choose to open it in a new tab or not. Here, for example, I have checked the option to open in a new tab. And if I come to my app and click it, I'm opening the link in a new tab. If we click the first one, we see that this window is the one that is changing. Now, how can we achieve this same behavior with a button or an image or another element? It's a bit trickier because when you have a button, the way to open an external website is via workflow. So you have to have a workflow with the action open an external website. And in the action, you can only choose the destination, not if you want to open it in another tab or in the same tab. So the way to achieve this, and I have done it in this button, is by using JavaScript. To use JavaScript, you need to download a plugin, this toolbox plugin, which is extremely useful, and it has an option to run JavaScript. You will find it in the actions once you have the plugin, and you basically have to paste the script. In this case, it's window.open, and you just have to put the URL and then blank because you're choosing to open it in an external tab. So if we go back to our app and try the two buttons, this first one, as you can see, is opening the link in the same tab, but the second one will open it in an external tab. This is the one that is using JavaScript. So if we click it, we see that it opens it in a new tab. It's a very easy way to combine a bit of JavaScript with your Bubble app and basically achieve the functionality that you want. And since it's by a workflow, you can activate this from any place of your app, any element, however you want. It gives you much more freedom than using the link element. This tip, I discovered it in Twitter, thanks to Pete Thompson, Tulu Alpha Web, and I thought it was amazing. I'm sharing it today in my Bubble Makers newsletter. So I just want to thank Pete for this awesome tip. And if you want to subscribe to the newsletter, you will have the link in the description. And if you want to check his profile and follow him, I will also leave his Twitter.